Hey guys, welcome to JPM Atelier. We have another restoration build. This is actually the second car sent by the first owner of the Mercedes. He was so happy with our work that he's brought us another car, and he said he's got another car after this. So we'll see if he brings the other one as well. But to introduce our next restoration build, here we go. Ready? Oh, I can't even lift it up. Failed. Yeah, it's a Jaguar XJ6. Okay, we got this is a bit difficult to show, so we're gonna move it out of here. We're gonna take it to one of the paint shops and get it raised up, and we're gonna go through this car and see everything that we find wrong with it. Right? What a strong man all by himself. All right, we got the car at the paint shop, at the body repair shop already now. And since we haven't really gone through this car, we're gonna go through it now and just point out what we can see. For example, we've got a lot of rust on the body everywhere. We got it on the back here, the corners here, the doors underneath rusted everywhere. The spare tire tub is completely rusted. So yeah, it's got holes everywhere. We'd have to repair that. Windows are all still good except this one. It has a crack in it. But it's a minor crack. We're not going to worry about repairing this until it actually reaches the edge. A lot of chrome we got. One of the door handles on the driver's door is not working. It just, I don't know, for some reason the handle won't lift up. So yeah, what else we have? Interior, it's not bad. Very dirty, very old. Some of the leather is already lifting up, so we're gonna not be doing a full restoration of the interior, just touch up repairs and everything. Some of the seats are worn, like on the, like from excessive sitting down. That's how worn out and old it is already. So yeah, that's interior real quickly. So it's not too bad. Wheels and tires. These wheels are typical UK size where they're not a 15-inch. They don't go by inches, they go by millimeters. For example, the tire on this, 220/65R390. So technically it means it's 390 millimeters diameter. They don't make tires for this anymore, or they do, but they're very expensive, very hard to reach, and you have to import them. So we're gonna be replacing the wheels and replacing the tires. So then that will be all good. Now when we come to the engine, as you can see, it's very high. Why? Because it has no engine.
We got no way to do it!
The engine has been removed and yeah, it's getting repaired by somebody else. So technically this car came to us like this and we are gonna get it back together. So once the engine is done by the other workshop, while that's getting done, we're gonna remove everything from here, repair some of the rust that's happening here in the engine bay as well, clean it up a lot more, respray it, get it all looking like new. So technically it's gonna be another full restoration. Where we're going to remove everything again, repair all the body, edge primer, base coat, paint coat, and clear coat, you know, so all the chrome be restored. Yeah. The only downside to this job is we only have less than 3 months to get this car done. So the challenge is really on. So I'm going to stop talking and I'm going to start working. So here we go. Sometimes working on these cars surprises me because there are some things that people do just to make it work. Doesn't matter what it is, they just make it happen. I'll give you an example. We have a house light switch.
What the f***?
It's been modified and screwed onto the bottom of this. I have no idea what it's for. I would have to follow the wires and see what it is, but it is seriously, literally a house light switch. I wonder what it's for, huh? Because we'll just keep disassembling and find out, huh? We've got the boots also cleared out completely. We can see a lot more of the rust clearly as well. I mean, you can see here that, look at this. That, the red underneath is the paint on the floor. So this is pretty badly rusted. I mean, even here as well where the seal sits, completely gone. Now we've only removed the interior pieces, carpet, everything like that, the trims, everything. We're gonna come back and do the wiring because well, we need to take all the interior and take it to the interior shop so they can get started on it. Because like I said, this job has to be done in record time, which is less than 3 months. So yeah, we have to work quickly and be efficient as we can.